Hello, I'm Aiden Taylor and welcome to my channel. As we are nearing the end of October with less than a week until Halloween, it's time to start carving some jack-o'-lanterns. But first, we have to pick out the perfect pumpkin. I was able to stop by a local produce market that was stocked with a variety of beautiful pumpkins. I definitely had a hard time deciding which one to get, but I think this one will be perfect. After browsing for far too long, it's finally time to head home and get started. I gather a variety of sculpting tools and begin to shave away the flesh of the pumpkin. When trying to decide how I wanted to go about carving this pumpkin, an idea crossed my mind to have an almost realistic face emerging out of the flesh of the pumpkin. While I am absolutely no carver, I figured why not give it a try. After I had the flesh of the pumpkin removed, I then started marking out where I wanted the facial features to lay. When carving something 3D into a pumpkin, it's important to remember that you're only working with a few inches of depth at most. I start by detailing the nose, as I know it's going to protrude the most out of all the facial features. Next, I begin detailing the eyes, trying to leave the eyeballs as round and smooth as possible, as we'll be detailing these with paint later on. I knew that I wanted this face to appear a little bit older and exaggerated, so I was able to use a reference image as a guide to map out where the wrinkles would be on the face. For the mouth, I decided to carve all the way through because I figured the depth would make it look a little more realistic. Now that the face is carved away to a point that I am happy with, it's time to start detailing it with some paint. Using a variety of acrylic paint colors, I was able to detail the face and add a little more depth to the wrinkles. I also tried to paint the eyeballs to look as realistic as possible. However, painting on a wet pumpkin is certainly not the easiest, so I highly recommend using a towel to dry the surface of the pumpkin before you paint it. And after a few finishing touches, it's time for the reveal. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to check out my channel because I have tons of other fun videos just like this. Make sure to keep an eye out for our big Halloween special on October 31st. And stay tuned for more spooky videos in the future. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Happy haunting!